Okay, we're doing the limit number 2, page 70. Part A, the limit as x approaches minus 1 from the right side. The plus, what the plus sign means, we're only coming in on the right side, not both sides, like we can do. Equals 1. Here's negative 1. We're on the right side. It's going up to level off at 1. So it's 2. The limit as x approaches 2 does not exist. Okay, let's approach 2. Approach 2 from the right side, approach 2 from the left side. The function is going to 1 on the right, it's going to 1 on the right. Now remember, limits we don't care about at 2. Right at 2 doesn't matter what you have. Actually, right at 2 you have 2. But limits only care about infinitely close to 2. And it's going to 1 on both sides. So this one's false. The correct answer should be 1. It's going to 1. So part C, we already know the answer. It doesn't equal 2, it equals 1. So that one's false also. Should be 1. Okay? D, the limit as x approaches 1 from the left. Here's 1 from the left side, this side. So the functions, as you go to 1, it's going up to 2. We don't care about at 1. But as you're getting close to 1, it's going up to 2. So this one's true. Okay? Approach 1 from the right. Here's 1 from the right side. It's leveling off at 1. So that one's true. So F says the limit as x approaches 1. Well, there's no right or left side. That means both sides. Well, for a limit to exist, it has to meet. And we just saw the right side equals 1. The left side equals 2. They don't meet. Look at the picture. They don't meet, right? Going to 1 on the one side, 2 on this side, so it doesn't exist. That's true. The limit does not exist as you approach 1 from both sides. How about the limit as approaches 0 from the right? The limit as x approaches 0 from the left. Do they equal? Well, here's 0. Here's 0 right here. Approaching from the right, it comes down to 0. Approaching from the left, comes down to 0. So the limits do equal each other. It equals 0, in fact. So not only is it true, but they both equal 0. H, they want to know, does the limit exist from everywhere between minus 1 to 1? So no matter where I take a limit between minus 1 to 1, does it exist? They're saying it does. Okay. We already know it exists at 0, goes to 0. How about minus a half? Yeah, it goes up to about a half on both sides. How about positive half? Yeah, it comes down to about a half. How about 1? Okay, now it says up to 1, but not including since it's rounded. So coming to 1 on the left side, yeah, it exists. Coming to minus 1 on the right side, yeah, it exists. So this is true. Between minus 1 and 1, see the curve's nice. There's no breaks, there's no holes, right? How about between 1 and 3? We already know the limit exists at 2. We already did it earlier. So the limit exists at 2. Definitely, it also exists at 1.5, at 1, at 2.5, at 3. So actually, between 1 and 3, as long as you're between, yeah, the limit exists everywhere. Even at 2. It approaches to 1 on both sides. So that's also true. J, approach minus 1 from the left. Well, there is nothing on the left, so it cannot exist. So this is false. The correct answer should be can't exist. Or it should be doesn't exist. And the last one, K, the limit as x approaches 3 from the right. Again, there's nothing over there, so it doesn't exist. So that one's true. Okay?